Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video will teach you everything you need to know about dividing fractions. So without any further ado, let's get this video started. So our first example is 1/4 divided by 3/2. The rule to remember when dividing fractions is keep the first fraction, change the sign, and flip the second fraction. So we keep 1/4 as it is, we change the divide to a multiply because it's the opposite, and we change our second fraction upside down, so it'll be 2/3. Now we can just multiply our fraction across, so we would multiply the numerators together, i.e. the 1 and the 2, and we can multiply the 4 and the 3, which is our denominators. So 1 times 2 is 2, which is our numerator, and 4 times 3 is 12, which is our denominator. We can simplify this fraction by simply dividing by the highest common factor, i.e. the highest number which goes into 2 and 12. In this case it would be 2, so if we divide the top number and the bottom number by 2, we would get 1/6. Let's move on to another example. Question 2. 1/3 divided by 2/5. Here is a reminder of the rule so that you can follow when doing this question. So the rule states we need to keep the first fraction, change the sign to a multiply, and flip the second fraction to 5/2. Once you have done that, we need to multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So 1 multiplied by 5 gives 5, and 3 multiplied by 2 gives us 6. Moving on to question 3, 3/4 divided by 4/5. We are going to use the same rule again by changing the sign to a times and flipping the fraction, so we get 3/4 times 5/4. Multiply the numerators together and the denominators together, which gives us 15 divided by 16. So this last question is a bonus question, and for everyone that has gotten to the end of this video, I challenge all of you to answer this question and to write your answer in the comments below. So 2/7 divided by 4/3, I have given you the rule which is on the side, and I want you to leave your answers. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, make sure you hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to see more videos.